Hi, Miss Hanson here. I'm here to talk to you today about Ken puzzles, a fun math logic activity that exercises your brain. Let's begin. How to play Ken. Your goal is to fill in the whole grid with numbers, making sure no number is repeated in any row or column. In a 3x3 puzzle, use the numbers 1 through 3. I know this is a 3x3 puzzle because it has 1, 2, 3 squares going across, and 3 squares going down. 1, 2, 3. In a 4x4 puzzle, use the numbers 1 through 4. In a 5x5 puzzle, use the numbers 1 through 5, and so on. The heavily outlined areas are called cages. This puzzle has 5 cages. The top left corner of each cage has a target number and a math operation. The numbers you enter into a cage must combine in any order to produce the target number, using the math operation noted. Remember that our math operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. In this cage, the math operation used is addition, and the numbers must add up to 5. Since this cage has 2 squares, the only possibilities are 2 and 3, in either order, 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. A cage with 1 square is a freebie. Just fill in the number you're given. You'll notice here there is no operation sign. A number cannot be repeated within the same row or column. We put a 3 here because this was our single cage. It was our freebie. So there cannot be a 3 here because that would be in the same row. Let's begin. Step number 1. Enter a 3 in the freebie square. It's always best to start with your freebies. Step number 2. The lower left cage must be filled with a 1 and a 3 in order to equal 4. The 3 must go in this top square, since the bottom row already has a 3 in it. That means that a 1 must go in the square below the 3. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Step number 3. Each row and column must have a 1, 2, and a 3 in it. The bottom row already has a 1 and a 3, so a 2 belongs in the middle square. The same logic can be used for the leftmost column. Step number 4. Enter a 3 in the top middle square so that the 5 cage in the top right totals to 5 using addition. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then enter a 1 in the center square so that the middle column has all 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. And 1 plus 2 equals 3, satisfying the bottom middle cage. And finally, step number 5. Now you can put a 1 in the top right square and a 2 below it, because they are the only unused digits in their rows. And because 1 plus 2 equals 3, satisfying the top right cage. Voila! Now you're ready to play Ken Ken. Have fun!